Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Toolkit. Today in this video I will tell you benefits of castor oil for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Castor oil is very popular for its medical uses. It is said to be one of the best hair oils for hair growth. Anecdotal evidence suggests that it helps prevent dandruff and other scalp infections. It also helps reduce hair loss and moisturizes hair. In this video we will break down why castor oil is good for hair and its side effects. Benefits of castor oil for hair. Number 1. Research show that castor oil helps stimulate hair growth and reduces dandruff. Number 2. Castor oil contains resinolic acid which has anti-inflammatory properties. Hence it can help soothe and reduces irritation in the scalp. Number 3. Castor oil may help reduce dandruff. It has antimicrobial, antibacterial and antiviral properties. These may help cleanse the scalp and protect it from infections. Number 4. Castor oil improves blood circulation. This can help increase blood circulation to the scalp and increases the hair thickness and density. Number 5. Castor oil contains omega-6 fatty acid. This fatty acid can help improve overall hair health and hair texture. Number 6. Castor oil makes hair darker and prevents early aging of hair like premature graying. Number 7. Castor oil also has antioxidant properties. Hence it may help reduce hair damage and hair fall caused by free radicals. Number 8. A study shows that castor oil helps reduce hair loss, split end and hair damage. Number 9. Castor oil can also help moisturize the hair and condition it. Number 10. A study shows that castor oil could help increase the luster of hair. As with any other ingredient, castor oil can cause some side effects. Side effects of castor oil. A study shows that castor oil causes severe hair felting. Using too much castor oil can cause hair to become hard and tangled. Hence it is important to use it in moderation. I will give you the link of castor oil in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.